How to check your last login location on Instagram. If you want to see where last you are logged in on your Instagram, then this video is for you. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Instagram app, navigate to the bottom right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then proceed to the top right corner where you see these 3 ellipses and tap on it. This will bring you to an interface like this. Make sure to tap on Account Center. Then under your Meta Account Center, scroll down a bit until you locate Password and Security and tap on it. With this selected, when you scroll down a bit again, you could see where you are logged in. Make sure to tap on this. In order to check your last login location on Instagram, all you have to do is to proceed to tap on the account that you want to check the last login. In this case, I'm going to tap on this one. Then as you could currently see, my location is here, which is Accra, Ghana. And the time of this sign-in is this exact time, which is 7:58. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.